We continue to help increase customer value with our deep commitment to businesses, from planning, engineering, and manufacturing of core component to fuel supply and maintenance. In cooperation with customers and partners, we are contributing to the decommissioning of Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power station through the handling of treated water and investigations for removing fuel debris. Hitachi is engaged in the development of next-generation innovative reactors. In Canada, we are advancing construction of the BWRX-300, the first SMR project of its kind in the G7. We are cooperating with government and industry partners to sustainably develop the nuclear energy business, contributing to the global supply chain and human resource development. Together with group IT companies in the US, we are working to develop solutions to support advanced plant construction and maintenance. We also supply fuel for nuclear power plants through Global Nuclear Fuel and are engaged in technology cooperation to realize an effective fuel cycle. Hitachi will continue to make full use of its latest digital technology and manufacturing expertise to contribute to the realization of a better life and society.